We're coming into a new room and we had to stop right here because we've got a closet. I don't want to start at the end of this closet or spend a whole lot of time measuring so that I hopefully line up with my flooring here. What I like to do is I'll shoot a laser line straight across and bring a board in front of the closet and continue my run. But my floor nailer has to go through the tongue of this board, and if I'm hitting the boards in this way, I'm not going to have anything to nail into right here because the groove. So basically I need to figure out a way to flip this board around and make my tongue facing the opposite way. And a real easy way to do that is to essentially cut yourself some like tongue shims. This is just a piece of 1/8 inch plywood that I cut down roughly to size. You can buy strips that are going to work exactly with your wood. Usually the flooring people will sell those as well, but this is just scrap wood we had laying around and it will work just the same. And what you're going to want to do is put a little bit of glue on it and then slide it into your board like I've done here, and then just tap them into place. And those will act as a makeshift tongue so that when we change the direction of our board to go into this closet this way, this seam right here won't buckle and we won't have to face nail it or anything like that. I've got that set up, I've got those in place. Now I'm going to try and get this board in. But another trick that I like to do is if I start nailing it this way, I might knock this line out of square. So I've just got an old cut off piece of wood here and I'm just gonna drill it into place so that even my air gun or my hammer is not gonna change this straight line that I have with the rest of my floor. It's all set up now, headed into the closet, so I can just grab my board and continue this direction. Then when I'm done with this closet, you'll also have the tongue on this side facing this direction so that I can continue the room coming this way.
Hope this video helps. If you got anything out of it, subscribe, like, and we'll see you in the next video.